So today I need to replace the shower sump pump. I'll show you where it's at. Might have saw before where I replaced the switch. Here's the sump. For some reason it doesn't pick up. I've had it clipped in and everything, it just doesn't pick up. So it's tied in right here. I'll have to take it undone there. And then hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Kathy.
And welcome to our adventures on Dreamville. From there, all the wiring goes under the floor. So I take up all the flooring. It runs back through here, where the switch actually was at too. And then runs up to the panel. And the panel that goes to the shower drain, it has its own breaker. So got a new one, so we'll see how this does. I think it's the same exact one, so hopefully it'll clip right in and be able to get it wired up and everything's going to work good.
In my weakness you are strong. In my sorrow you're my song.
First thing I need to do is get the hose undone that the pump actually pumps the water through out the side of the boat. So I had to get it off first.
You are the light in darkest night, a star that shines in deep blue skies, twinkle in our eyes, love at the first sight. The nicest thing about life is you're mine.
In my struggle, you're my strength. Purpose when there's nothing left. Laughter when it's late at night. Whispers until
The good thing about it, it was an exact replacement, so all I had to do was put it back just like the old one was.
light in darkest night, a star that shines in deep blue skies, twinkle in our eyes, love at the first sight. The nicest thing about life is you're mine.
Good thing about this pump is it'll move 1,100 gallons per hour. So it'll pump the sump out really fast. So the automatic switch cuts it on and off as you're taking a shower. You don't have to worry about getting out of the shower and turning on the switch to pump the sump out.
First sight, the nicest thing about life is you're mine. You're mine.
Once I had the pump mounted in the sump, had the wires ran through the side of the bilge, the shower bilge, then all I had to do was connect the wires back up. So I put butt splices on it so they wouldn't come undone accidentally.
In my sorrow, you're my song. When my patience is all gone, you're the peace that carries on, carries on. You are the light in darkest night, a star that shines in deep blue skies, twinkle in our eyes, love at the first sight. The nicest thing about life is
Now, let's go see if it works. Okay, here's a new pump, new switch. Let's see if she works. For the shower. Finally, it works. Whew, that's good. That was hard.
Next episode on Dreamweaver SV.
It's boat moving day. We're moving the boat to Trips Marina in North Carolina. Take us about 3 hours. Trying to leave here on high tide. There's Brian coming with his McDonald's. Coming in hot with those hot stacks or hot cakes. So this will be a fun adventure. We got great weather today.